Good morning.
Good morning.
There was a brewing problem. It was getting late and there is a big crowd. And so the disciples proposed a practical solution. Practical, realistic, easy. Dismiss them, Lord. Dismiss them so that they can go to the surrounding farms and villages and buy themselves something to eat. They saw the problem. They offered a solution. Dismiss them. The Lord also saw the problem. The crowd is big. It's getting late. He was not insensitive to the situation. But instead of dismissing them, the Lord wanted to keep them and take care of them. Because these people were not just hungry for bread. Hindi lang naman sila nandoon dahil gusto nilang makakain o sila'y gutom. Sabi dito sa simula ng Ebanghelyo, when Jesus saw the vast crowd, his heart was moved with pity for them, for they were like sheep without a shepherd. So the problem is more than just hunger, physical hunger. The problem was they lack proper caring. Kaya sabi ng Panginoon, para silang mga tupang walang pastol, ako ang magpapastol sa kanila. My dear brothers and sisters, the first reflection that I offered to you is this. Are we also like the disciples in the gospel when we only see the problem? Mahirap yan. Hindi yan magagawa. No? So ganyan kuminsan ang attitude natin. Pag merong isang sitwasyon, ang nakikita natin ay yung problema. It cannot be done. It's difficult. But do we also see an opportunity? An opportunity to show that we care. An opportunity to show that we care. In the first reading from the first letter of St. John, it is said, St. John, the writer says, "Beloved, let us love one another. Let us love one another, because love is of God." So, when there is a situation being presented to us, do we look at it only as a problem? Or it is also an opportunity to love, to care? Do we only see the crisis, or we also see a grace? Kapag tayo ay nauospital dahil nagkasakit tayo, do we only look at the health crisis, or it is also an opportunity to rest, to read more, to pray more? Nobody wants to get sick. But when we get sick, do we only look at the sickness as a problem, or it is also an opportunity of grace? That is our situation. That is the challenge to us. And then the second is when Jesus said, "What do you have?" Let's try to solve the problem. And what do you have? I will work on what you have. I will not be asking you to give something that you do not have. Hindi ka naman hihingan ng Diyos ang hindi mo kayang ibigay. na hindi mo pwedeng ibigay. Kaya ang tanong ni Jesus, what do you have? And I will work on it. And he did. From the little that they had, no, Jesus was able to feed 5,000 men, not counting women and children. And they did not only eat, they were satisfied. See, yun yung sinasabi ko na ito ba ay problema lang o ito'y opportunity? Opportunity of grace. Because when we give everything to the Lord, all that we have, bahala ang Diyos, siyang magpaparami. Kailangan lamang magtiwala tayo. Kasi kumisan, takot tayong ibigay kung ano yung meron tayo. Hindi. Sa Ebanghelyo, pinaalalahanan tayo. We trust the Lord and we give what we have and He will bless what we offer 100-fold. Amen.